What's good, traders? I'm going to say this without mincing words. Most traders are polygamous. And polygamous in the sense that not outside trading, I mean in trading. So they are polygamous, whereby they have so many options, like so many fish in the river to actually explore. We have USD JPY, GBP JPY, SAUSD, gold, a lot of them. So you just have the option to trade anyone you want at your convenience, right? But do you know that options is a double-edged sword? It can actually reward you or take from you. Imagine a trader making money off gold and giving it back to USD JPY. That's what option can do for you. And also, it can actually reward you in both hands actually. But then, have you thought about getting to focus on trading just one pair? That's where discipline and profitability comes in. It's just like locking into a wife. You get to understand your wife, the characteristics or the character of the market, get to understand the dimension, the flow of price. So this helps you curb what distraction and it gives you focus in the market. It helps cops over trading so that when there's no opportunity in the market, you're not trading. You have a life for yourself because what options does is this. I know that anytime I wake up to the market, there are so many pairs I can look into, and you feel like, okay, you're missing out of something. I need to be in this market. I need to go and check the market, what the market is doing. If there's no opportunity in gold, there should be in USDJPY. There should be in this. So your mind is always revolving around the market, and you don't have a personal life for yourself. So why am I saying this? Have you ever wondered why, if you're trading synthetic, you see that the reef is constantly bringing new assets? It doesn't happen by chance. There's a psychology behind it. Because human wants are insatiable, so we really believe that bringing new assets means this asset is actually new, so I can actually milk off from this market. So you left the previous wife, which had, let me say, you're actually consistent in trading, boom, volatility. You left that market to this new one because you feel like the better, the newer the better. So you want to explore what? Check your trading history. You understand that there's this pair you always understanding very well and it's consistent, you making profit on them. That's the trade you should, that's the pair you should lock in on and keep trading it because it makes you more money than others. But no, they did keep bringing this because they believe that. Have you ever wondered, if I'm checking my watch list, sometimes I open this, there's no opportunity, I'm opening this, there's no opportunity. Your mind is just clouded with so many noises. You need to filter those noise. And how do you filter those noise? By what? Eliminating all those watch lists and leaving two or one. So that when there's no opportunity in this market, you're out from it. You're out from the market. I know something happened to me last year. So I deleted all my watch list. Then I came back to my phone again. They put all the watch list back. I don't know how. They brought it back to my watch list. I'm like, what's this? I deleted again. It came back. What this is doing is that you are always having to check other markets to look for opportunity. And sometimes you're moved to trade the pair which you're not really conversant with. Forget the fact that you're a trader and you can analyze the market very well and trade. Something happens when you stick to a market or a pair and understands how it moves, whether you're sleeping or you're awake, you can tell this market's direction. And that's where the profitability comes in trading. It is not in having so many pairs to trade, it is in eliminating so many and focusing on what matters. The one you understand. The wife you understand is your wife. So those options are like side chicks. And you know what side chick does? You spend a lot. You keep spending. You keep spending. And that's not life. Narrow down the asset or the pair you're trading and watch how profitable you become trading 2026. So if you're that trader that is still, opening many options or having many options to trade different markets, I tell you this, I think you should narrow down the pairs you trade. Understand, look at the ones or go down to your trading history and look at the pairs you're really making more money from or the ones you understand the price flows and direction. That's your pair. Stay on it, trade it. And when there's no opportunity, leave the market. You will see yourself gradually becoming free. Free that you're not always thinking about missing out, because you know when there's opportunity in this market, you will see it. And when there's no opportunity in this market, you are not trading. And that's when trading becomes simple. Until then, you keep struggling trading. So I hope you make amends today. Don't forget to subscribe. This is yours, SAMMYFX. Stay tuned to this channel, and I'll be bringing more psychological tips on how to become a profitable trader. Catch you guys in my next video.